Hello everyone, welcome to Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. Today we are at day 37 of 111 days verification challenge. The skill set which we are focusing on right now is Verilog, and the topic for today will be case statements and delays. Delays is a very important topic to understand, and so is the case statements. You are going to use them a lot in your Verilog codes. So let's understand them. Now, there are different types of delays. You need to explain these delays with an example. First one is regular assignment delay. Then we have implicit continuous assignment delay. We have net declaration delay. Explain these delays with example. What is delta simulation time? This is the second question. Then we have transport delay and inertial delay. You need to explain them. What is transport delay? What is inertial delay? Explain these delays. Then what is meant by inferring latches and how do you avoid it? And write this with the help of example, the inferring latches and the way to avoid it in the Verilog code. We have a repeat loop in Verilog. Explain this repeat loop with a coding example. When you use blocks like always block, you are going to have a sensitivity list. Why is it necessary to list all the inputs in sensitivity list when you are designing a combinational circuit? For combinational circuit, it is recommended that all inputs should be present in the sensitivity list. Why is it so? What will happen if you miss any input? Explain that. Then we have a case statement in Verilog, and we also have case X and case Z. What is this case X and case Z? Explain with the example. What is Verilog parallel case and full case statements? Then we will go to design problem. Today you will design 4-bit ripple carry adder in Verilog. Solve these questions today, and tomorrow I'll see you for day 38 challenge. Best